Okay, so let's do the refrigerator test. Did they follow the tenant move-out packet? Yes, they did. I mean, this thing is cleaner than when I first got it. Did they do the same job in the freezer? Yes, they did, because they knew if they didn't do that, they would be charged for it. I mean, look at everything. I mean, the tenant move-out packet, I know I keep saying it, but it works. There's a science behind it, and it just works. I mean, look how clean everything is. Because it's a step-by-step process that they have to do before they move out, and it just works beautifully.